Today we're going to be making hummus. Alright, so what you're going to need is 2 tins of chickpeas, and make sure to drain the water, some tahini, juice of 1 lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, and some salt. And besides that, you're going to need some olive oil for serving. Alright, to make it, you're going to need a serving dish for the hummus, a measuring cup for the tahini, and a juicer for the lemon. Okay, you're going to start off by taking your 2 cloves of garlic into the food processor and blending them. Next, you're going to add the rest of the ingredients one at a time. Starting with the chickpeas, you can just pop them in. Tahini, I've measured out 75 milliliters. It's very normal, and you will see when you use the tahini for it to separate. The oil comes to the top, don't worry about that, it's normal. The juice of the lemon, I've juiced it already. About a teaspoon of salt. I think the most healthiest salt to use would be pink Himalayan salt. That should be enough. And then blend it all together. Once you've blended it, you will see the consistency you're looking for. You can add about a teaspoon or 2 of water depending on the consistency you like. You will see it's best to do this afterwards to determine the thickness of the paste. Alright. Alright, it's been blended up. Take it off. And you can transfer it to your serving dish. It's always best to serve it with a drizzle of olive oil to enhance its flavor. Some more salt on top. And some ground black pepper. Today I served the hummus with some cucumber sticks, cut up carrot sticks, and some toasted pita wedges. Besides that, some other alternatives to use would be cherry tomatoes, adding it on top of a vegan burger, with rice cakes, anything like that. It works perfectly with most dishes, that's why it's so popular.